In this class, I am going to define the way of displaying record in front of our index file into MVC crude project. That is why I open Atom source code editor, I expand MVC crude project, I expand application. Into the application I am going to expand views. Okay, when I click it back again, it unexpand, expand, unexpand. Okay, I expand it, and here I'm going to open user list PHP file. Just one click on it and user underscore list.php file will be open in front of you. Okay, the file title is PHP MVC crude with CodeIgniter framework. It display right here PHP MVC crude with CodeIgniter framework. Okay, coming right here, and we have division of class container. Its definition contained into Bootstrap, which we have downloaded and added it here. It contains CSS and JS file. Okay, and folders. Alright, and we have H1 heading 1 PHP MVC crude with CodeIgniter framework. Here we have this heading. Okay, now I'm coming right down here. We have base URL function, and what is our base URL, which we have included in our last class. This is our base URL, and we have indexed users add new complete URL, which is start from here, and echo display base URL included index.php / users / add new, and go further. It's a primary button with blue color, and it contain label as a add new. When we click on this button, it go to the add new URL. Here you can see that I'm coming back or click here, it go to index file. Alright, and if I'm going to change its label as a add new, I can also change its label and press Ctrl then S for save. I saved it, and coming back here and refresh it, you can see the label has been changed add new from add user. Okay, I'm going down, and we have a table with a row ID, username, password, full name, and action. We have first row into the table ID, username, password, full name, and an action. Okay, and coming right down here, we have for each a function which contain user variable as a user, and it display record from our database. Okay, now I'm going to open database. Just click into our XAMPP control panel on admin button. It will open PHP my admin in localhost. I'm going to display the database. Alright, and our database name is CodeIgniter. Into CodeIgniter we have users table, and in users table we have only one record. Username is dd3, password and full name. Okay, and user ID is 3. You can see the record is user ID is 3 here. Alright, and complete this record is displaying here. Into our action column we have two buttons. One button is edit, another button is delete. Alright, edit, and next button is delete. You can see here label of delete button. Alright, edit and delete. Okay, coming right down, and table has been closed, and this all data is displaying here. And you can see here we have a function for each. It display all data which is in our user table. For suppose we have two record, I am going to add another, saved it, it display another record. It display all data from our database on our index file. It is a main page index file. It is playing here. Alright. For each, it means that in between this body of block code which is start from open braces and close braces, in this it display into this row all data from a record. For suppose first time it display first record, when for each goes repeat on next row it display next data. Alright, first row first record, next row next record. It repeated all loop. In my case we have only two record into the user table, that is why it is displaying only two records. For suppose we have hundreds of record, it display hundreds of record with edit delete button. Okay, for each it is a loop, it display all records from user data until unless data completed. Okay, now I'm going to end this class. In next class we will talk about next operation.